Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese banana steam cake, or in my hometown it's called jaja claudan biu. So jaja is anything like a cake or sweet or biscuit, and claudan is the name of the cake I make today, and biu is banana because it's using a banana. And in the other place in Bali also called jaja sumping biu. So let's start. First thing, I'm going to introduce all the ingredients I'm going to use later. So we start with the banana. So here I have a king banana, or in Bali we call biu raja. Raja is mean king. If you don't have that kind of banana, you can also use any sweet banana. That will be work. And also here I'm preparing my own fresh coconut milk. Later I'm going to use 1 liter. This coconut milk I made from the one coconut, and I added 800 ml of fresh water, and I just mix together and squeeze it and just take the liquid later on. And also here I'm going to use 100 grams of white sugar, some salt, and 300 grams of rice flour. And here as well I'm going to add later pandan leaves, which is just add a little bit of Asian flavor to the cake. And here I have some banana leaf I cut earlier, about 20 centimeter. So let's make it. First thing, I'm going to grill a little bit the banana leaf, just make it softer, so easier when you roll the cake later on. So I'm going to cut the hard part of the banana leaf here. You can use scissor or knife. And this part as well. Right, so now I'm going to grill them. It's just a little bit, so I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to prepare the cake. So here I'm going to use the pan, this pan, and just add the flour, sugar, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix together. And I'm going to add the fresh coconut milk, little by little, and keep stirring. So we need to make sure no any lump. And now I'm going to add the rest of the coconut milk. It might look liquidy, but soon we heat them up, they will get thicker. And the last, I'm going to add pandan leaves. If you don't have pandan leaves, you can add a little bit of vanilla extract if you want to have a little vanilla flavor, and it's absolutely fine too. So I'm going to put low to medium heat and keep stirring. Again, I said that really important that you keep stirring the liquid, because once they get thick, they very quick get really thick. So they start get thicker. You can see here, but keep stirring because we don't want they get burned on the bottom of the pan. So let them cool a little bit before we put them in the banana leaf. And now I'm going to prepare the banana. Actually just divide it to two. If you want to use the whole banana, also fine. So now I finished cut the banana, and we are going to roll the cake into the banana leaf. And also I'm going to prepare the steamer. So here, take one of the banana leaf and then put the cake inside. It's a little bit warm. You can wait until it's completely cool as well. And add one banana. Put the porridge and roll it over. And just fold and fold. Normally when you buy in Bali, they're not as big as this one, but today I just make a bigger. So basically, actually, that you cover all the banana with the rice porridge. If you want to make it smaller, it's absolutely fine too. It's depend on how much you want and how big the banana you want to put inside. And also, I'm not using the pandan leaf that I put earlier, so we just take it out. So now I'm going to steam the cake for 30 minutes or until it's cooked. See you in 30 minutes. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm back. So here, Charles is accompanying me, and it's been 30 minutes. So we're going to turn it off the heat and cool it down. So Charles, what is the name of the jaja? Jaja?
Kuping gajah.
Oh, kuping gajah. That's so funny. This is called jaja claudan.
What's in there?
Here?
What's it?
Here is a steamed banana cake.
Yeah, open it and see what.
Not yet. Later, we need to cool it down first.
But I don't want to see.
Well, you can see it when it's cool enough.
Sad. I'm a little bit sad. That's what I got the idea.
Oh, he's gone now. So I need to cool it down. So when it's completely cool, then you can see the texture inside. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm back. So here I have the steamed banana cake. It's completely cool now. Like you can see, I can hold it even with my hand. And I'm going to cut into two pieces so you can see how it looks like inside. So it looks like this. You can see the banana here, and this is the rice cake. So I'm going to plate now the cake. Normally they will in Bali they take one pieces of cake, but I made quite big today, so later on we will eat like a half like this. It's quite filling. Here we are, Balinese banana steam cake. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.